number 6 is anger. Ralph Waldo Emerson said, "For every minute you remain angry, you give up 60 seconds of peace of mind." So anger. A lot of us shy away from it. Some of us embrace it. I want to be angry, god damn it. Like I showed you in that video at the beginning of this. "I'm as mad as hell and I'm not going to take it anymore," he said. So anger is actually the energy you need to take action. But we're trained from birth that when we get angry, that's a bad emotion. Little Billy, you're getting angry, take a time out, take a breath, let it go. And you could do that, and it might be useful, but what's even more useful is to take that energy of anger and realize that's the energy for change. That's the energy for change, and using that. So the question is, I'm getting angry, what do I need to change in this particular moment that would allow me to improve the situation? And it could be, hey, I need to make a phone call, or I need to make more calls, or I need to sell more stuff, or I need to take a walk, or whatever it is. Use the energy of anger to move yourself forward, because that is the secret. How do you turn anger into accomplishment?